So first of all, congratulations those who cleared prelims, and this is a great opportunity. More approximately 80 days are left for your mains examination, September 20. So in order to help you from our Vishnu IAS Academy, we are coming up with a very curated, team-oriented program which is called as Sarva Shresth. It is really going to be the Sarva Shresth program which will be helping your general studies mains preparation. And the fees will also be kept very, very minimal so that it reach the maximum people, mainly those who have cleared prelims, but however it will be also helpful for 20-25 students. So how this program is going to be, already we explained in one of the YouTube video, mainly GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4. In every topic, in every paper, 100 topics we are going to cover, which are current affairs oriented. And every session is going to be for 2 hours. In that every session of 120 minutes, 10 topics. Very quickly we will be covering the 10 topics. Each topic will be of 12 minutes. So that in detail, properly it will be delivered, as well as how to remember also. We will be explaining you with the content and concept and deep understanding. Not only that, overall you are going to have 400 topics PDF, 1-page PDF we will be providing you, which will be helping you a lot. That description you are going to get in this particular session. So Sarva Shresth, which is called as Value Enrichment Program, VEP. In this Value Enrichment Program, we are going to provide you a complete crux of all the details with respect to GS 1, 2, 3. So before explaining about the program as well as sample 5 topics we will be taking and explaining you. So I am going to invite the faculties who are going to take this particular program. So it is mainly we are for GS1, GS2, GS3 and GS4. In GS1, the geography part and history part will be taken by Bharat sir, and the society will be taken by me, Vishnuvardhan. And in GS2, the polity, the governance and the international relations, this particular part will be taken by Azhar Muhammad, and GS3 will be taken by Bharat. And GS4 again, me, Bharat sir as well as Muhammad Azhar sir, we 3 together will be helping you for clearing this particular mains examination. So I call upon Azhar Muhammad sir please, as well as Bharat sir. So we 3 as a team, we are coming up with this particular thing. So if you see here, July 8th, society, we are coming up with the detailed schedule. July 8th, society, 10 topics will be explained by me. July 9th, agriculture, which is part of GS3, will be explained by the Bharat. And July 10th will be the society, again me. And July 11th will be the agriculture. July 12th will be society by me. And July 13th will be the economy. Quick revision, very, very, very quick revision of daily 10 topics. From that 10 topics, I am telling you, 2 questions will come in your examination, and crux PDF will be provided to you. In that way, the complete GS3, the complete GS1, the complete GS2 will be dealt by V3 people. So how this particular program is going to be, Muhammad Azhar sir will be explaining for 2 minutes, then Bharat sir will take the pen and as well as he will be moving on with respect to his topics.
Hi dear students, myself Muhammad Azhar. So as Vishnu sir said already that I am going to deal with the GS2 topics for this Sarva Shresth program. So I am not taking much time because Bharat sir will be dwelling more into the program and how exactly the classes will go. Bharat sir will be dealing. So from my side actually about this program, see this program actually one thing that we can give you guarantee. As Vishnu sir said, you are going to get questions. Mark the word, you are going to get questions from the classes. It means you are going to get question also from the topic, because why we are confident, because we have went through a thorough research for past 20-25 years for the questions we took, and we exactly got the crux that how from which area UPSC is asking. So in those areas we are giving more focus. How we are giving more focus? We are giving you ready-made content. See, I already mentioned in my classes in the current affairs discussions that we are having in the mains examination, you will not get time to think. Okay, you will not get time to think in mains examination. The thinking process, the brainstorming process, it should happen way back, way before the examination, the moment you get into the examination. The examination, it is that you are just reproducing whatever you have learned. For that purpose, we are giving you ready-made content, ready-made intro, ready-made conclusion, ready-made data, ready-made figure, just in your fingertip. You can revise it anytime because it's just in one page. My topics, every topic will be in just one page. You can revise it on the exam day. You are going to thank us. We are very sure. We are waiting for the past exam days that you are going to thank us for this particular initiative. So we will see, we will get more into the classes. We will be seeing it through the classes. We will be delivering the lectures. We both will be delivering the lectures. So this is from my side. So wishing you all the very best to all the candidates who are going to write the mains, and congratulations for you again for clearing the prelims. And though if you are not qualified prelims, for you also this program will benefit. Definitely it's going to be a edge for the 2025 preparation. So with this I am concluding. See you all in the classes, and now I am inviting Bharat sir for more explanation of this particular program and exactly how the classes will proceed. Okay, thank you. Yes sir, please.
Yeah. Good morning students. First of all, congratulations to all those who had cleared this exam and also who couldn't clear. This is the time you have to consider it as blessing in disguise, because one thing you have to remember that whether you had cleared the exam or not cleared the exam, if you have to write exam next year, each and every person must prepare mains in the next coming 4 months. Be it a first timer or who is writing mains now or who will be writing the mains next year. So we designed this program which will be helpful for both 2024 mains and 2025 mains also. And of course, congratulations and a pat on the back for the students who had cleared this exam now. There's prelims. And coming to, once I will be giving brief about the program details, and later on I can take questions from you. In this, what we are offering is that for all the topics which are syllabus keywords and the PYQ themes. For example, food processing industry is a syllabus keyword in GS3. Similarly, parliamentary privileges is a syllabus keyword in the GS2. These are in news. Of course, they will be repeating each and every year or the alternate years. We had picked up around 400 topics from GS1, 2, 3, 4, directly the syllabus keywords and also the PYQ themes. We will be covering all those 400 topics in our 40 sessions, and the best thing here is that we will be providing the crisp content and also the current affairs which are in news, which are highly relevant for GS2 and GS3 part. We will be adding those also. For example, last year a question was asked on Chandrayaan 3. So similarly, when we go in that line, there is chance of asking a question on Aditya L1. So we will be providing crisp content and also some sort of value addition for current affairs also. And for the normal syllabus keywords and PYQ themes, we will be providing the normal content and value addition in a very crisp manner, right? So, and once I will be showing you how the things will be happening here. And mind it, this program will be helping a lot to the first timers. Of course, it will be helping to all the mains going people, but first timers can take lot of advantage of this. How? Because see, first timers will be in lot of confusion how to proceed, how to do value addition. It will be headache for them to do the basic answer writing itself. They can't keep lot of efforts on value addition. In this program, we are providing you the ready-made value addition. So it will save a lot of time for you. And our intention is to, whoever will be joining this course, they have to clear this exam. That's it. And for whatever the topics, 400 topics we will be discussing in the classes, we will be providing you the value addition. We will be providing you the value addition such as data, judgments, committees, reports, initiatives, ready-made intro, conclusion, examples, case studies, whichever possible for all those topics, we will be providing them in a crisp manner, like a sort of one pager for each and every topic. Yeah, see, for example, this is food processing industry. In food processing industry, for every topic, what happens, we will be showing the syllabus linkage and the PYQs which are asked in the specific food processing industry theme. Next, as I told you, there will be ready-made introduction and the data which you can actually use in the exam. How we can get to this data? We can know which data can be used based on the PYQs. If we go to the PYQs of every topic, we can understand which sort of data can be usable, and we are providing those sort of data only. Next, the committees which you can quote in the answers, and also schemes, initiatives, and we will be providing some sort of vicious cycles, virtuous cycles, hub and spoke diagrams of the graphs, which will be adding visibility aspect and some sort of attraction to your answers. These small things will be adding 1 mark, 1.5 mark to your answers. This, and remind it, why this is always needed, because these things will be deciding whether you will be in the list or outside the list, whether you will be getting the IPS or IAS. Okay, and finally conclusion and report. I will be showing some more samples to get into the idea. See, this is the society thing. For example, in society, tribes is a recurring theme. So in this tribes, we are providing the data and the judgment, samta judgment, which you can use ready-madely in the exam schemes, and you will be providing the diagrams which you can use ready-made intro and conclusion for any topics which will be coming under the domain of tribes, scheduled tribes, the problems of tribes and all. Similarly, women empowerment and challenges, Vishaka case, Mary Roy case, Verma committee recommendations, why this Nirbhaya thing happened and all, schemes. Like this, we will be providing the vicious cycles, virtuous cycles, or some sort of flowcharts for you. Yeah. In this, for each and every topic which we had promised, we will be providing one page of crisp content, so that it will be easy for you to revise the things. Okay. Now we can go with the questions. If you have any questions, you can post here.
But sir, actually one of our student was asking, if he is giving the mains first time. So his question was, what exactly the importance of intros and conclusions in a mains answer writing? How it is going to boost your mark?
Yeah, it is very important. It is very important. Why? Because this intro and conclusions are important in the sense that, see, we have to write a 10 marker in 7 minutes and a 15 marker in 11 minutes. And we won't be, if we will be thinking each and every point, it will be lot of time consuming. We can't be able to complete the 20 answers. And the major thing in clearing this exam, each and every topper is doing is that he will be writing 20 questions in a quality manner. So there itself we are thinking the intro, conclusion and all. Of course, we can't remember all the intro and conclusion, but there will be some repeated themes. At least for those topics, we have to remember about the intro and conclusion, right? So that's why it is useful. Next, some students are asking about the price details. Actually, the price we had kept very minimal. We kept the cost of 8,000, and this course also includes the exclusive current affairs classes for GS2 and GS3. So it will be very useful, and of course for sure it will be useful for 2025 attempt also. Yeah, you can. And one person asked, Harsha Reddy is asking what is the validity of the course. You can use the content for up to, you will be having the access to the portal and the videos up to 1 year. Even you can use the same content for the next 2025 mains also. We have designed the program in the same sense. Okay. Yeah. As Vishnu sir has already mentioned, these are the dates, and starting from July 8th, we are planning to complete by August 15th. Maybe 1 or 2 days this side or that side, but at max by August 15th we will be completing the classes, and Vishnu sir and Ajay sir will be combinedly taking these sessions. Please make use of these sessions, because the thing is that you have very less time of 80 days. So please don't take burden of doing each and every work. Whatever the things faculties can do, allot them that work. You do your hard work. Do answer writing. That is the most important and essential thing in this time. Okay.
Because knowledge, if you are going behind the knowledge during this between prelims and mains, it will not work, because that must have been over before the prelims itself. So this time, limited time, what you should do is that you should manage the knowledge. Whatever the knowledge you got in this all process, you should arrange it in well order. So now these documents, if you have gone through, you can see that the knowledge are arranged in a very mains answer writing way, like intro. The content itself is in a answer writing. See, it is how the questions. Because UPSC also demands the same thing. If you see, I can bet you for this thing. If you take any topper copy, there won't be any topper copy without this diagrams, without the reports of committees, without the data from Nidhi Aayog, without the observations of IMF. So see, because the mains examination is not something you write a lot. It's like you are writing it at the same time. You are going to impress the particular examiner, okay? Because the examiner is going to evaluate a lot of answer sheets, answer scripts, and in those answer script, you should be the best, okay? You should be the best. So to be that best, trust me, this program is going to help you, okay? And someone were asking yesterday during some mentorship sessions that will you get enough time to study also, all these things. See, with the classes will not go more than 2 hours. So you will get rest the time, because we are limiting it to 2 hours, because we know that if you are dumping a lot of content, both class or through the PDF, it is not going to work. So we want to be very limited, because the precious time, we don't want to exploit it, but we want to give you the maximum, okay? Maximum to score the best. Okay, so if any more doubt if you have.
Yeah, and Rajesh Kumar is asking whether reading newspaper is mandatory for the next 3 months. See, at least you can stop since say exam is from September, in the September mid, so you can start from the September end by September starting, but up to that time you have to read the questions, because even if you see the last year paper, they had asked many questions which are in use in the last 6 months before the mains. So in our classes we will be trying to cover all those topics which are in use in the last 3 months and all. See, we had kept the deadline of August 15th, but if there are any issues being formed by later time also, we will be trying to cover them also. Okay, thank you.